Sarah Mansoor and I'm the founder of Bare Necessities. I think it's amazing that we have International Women's Day to celebrate the economic, political, social and cultural achievements of women.
Hi, my name is Amishi and I'm the founder of Upcyclers Lab, a company that makes environment-themed learning tools for young children, such as board games, puzzles and storybooks, on different environmental concepts such as waste segregation and ocean conservation. International Women's Day for me is a way to celebrate all the women in your life and to give gratitude for everything that they do and the way they struggle and juggle between work and life.
Hi, this is Smita Kulkarni, co-founder of StoreSoup. International Women's Day to me is a time that we all engage in conversations, not only about women issues, but also celebrating some of the amazing people, amazing stories we have around us, of all of us aligning our energies together. So happy Women's Day to everyone.
Hi, my name is Madhavi Pitti and I'm the co-founder of my company Workshop Q. International Women's Day to me means celebrating both women and men. Women who have broken all boundaries, who have achieved tremendous amounts of work, who we all look up to, who are the best role models, and the men who have helped some women in achieving their dreams, in pushing them to do what their capabilities are. It could be a father helping his daughter to with her studies, to help her in her career and guiding her and counseling her. It could be a brother helping his sister. It could be a husband supporting his wife. It could be a friend helping his friend. So it's not just about the women, it's also about the men who help us in getting there. So International Women's Day, it's all about celebrating both women and men.
International Women's Day. I think it's not just on this day, but every single day that we need to recognize and celebrate the work and the contributions of women in this world.
We at 12 Store believe every day is Women's Day, but sometimes a little bit of extra cheer is needed, and that's what International Women's Day is for us, an extra bit of celebration of the progress that we have all made together.
Hi, I'm Dr. Medha Tadpatlikar. I'm the founder and director of Rudra Environmental Solution. We collect segregated plastic and convert it into usable fuel. International Women's Day is a day to recognize women's contribution to the society. At the same time, look at the women who are not part of the regular society, who are marginalized. And it is a good time and a good day to celebrate womanhood.
International Women's Day is important to me to stand up against gender discrimination and for equal rights. Child marriage, difficulties to access education, domestic abuse, and lower remunerations are some of the many problems faced by women today. Women are also the first to be affected by the consequences of climate change, facing higher rates of violence, displacement, and poverty.
When a woman is empowered, it is most likely that her future generations are educated and hence are more empowered. That's why, for me, Women's Day is celebrating this womanhood, this strength, and empowering the future of humanity.
I believe women have made significant advances in all kinds of fields and sectors, and I think we have a bigger role to play in sustainability and waste management. The all-girls team of 12 Store is an example of that. Together we are all working to reduce post-consumer fabric wastage.
Waste management is something I feel really strongly for, and I've been working in this space for the last 7-8 years. And I've met the most amazing and inspiring women here. So I feel all the good women are working in waste. So if you want to meet some amazing women, join the waste gang.
Women are naturally more sensitive, creative, and are more organized. That's why when I think about women in waste management, what I feel is more women in this sector and decision making can bring more of sustainability, cleanliness, and humanity. Yes, we need humanity in waste management sector too.
This Women's Day, I am so proud of all the women who occupy the waste management space. who have really tried to push the agenda, make policy recommendations, create social enterprises for change, and reimagine what a waste-free world can look like. Big shout out to everyone, Wilma from Sahas, and Nalini from Hasidurullah, Dairy Dump and Poonam, among many others. So thank you all for all of the work that you do, and congratulations.
So, women in waste management, there are so many varied types of women in waste management that we've come across in our field of work. We have a friend, all these women, these lovely women have now become our good friends too. One lovely lady has been into textile recycling since the last 20 years, and who has now, after 20 years of being in the industry, now she's being awarded with so many accolades for doing what she does. There's a waste management company in Bombay who we work with closely, for a few projects. There is a young girl who makes sustainable games for children. There is someone who works with making furniture and decorative products out of textile rope. So and the list can go on, but these are just some of the women whom I admire greatly in the field of waste management, and I look forward to seeing many more talents come up.
I'm very thankful to be one of the many women who are working in the field of sustainable waste management. I'm very glad to know many amazing women who are doing some real impactful work in this field.
Women are having a major role in waste management, particularly in India, from waste pickers to policymakers, from activists to entrepreneurs. There are many inspirational women contributing to a better waste management of tomorrow.
There are very few women in the waste management, and I believe that it is one of the areas where women should enter, as a lot of time in the household, women are in charge of the waste management. And I think women can do a wonderful job when it comes to looking after the waste management.
Choose to challenge. Let's celebrate women's achievements.
I guess for the waste management space, my challenge is how do we push the agenda on reimagining packaging.
What we all have to challenge is not to litter, because the waste management will only work if we segregate our waste in the household. So if we decide to challenge littering and change our habits, I think it will go a long way to help the environment and build a sustainability.
I choose to challenge the common theory that behavioral change takes time and it's almost impossible to achieve. I would like to move the culture, the disposable culture, into a reusable culture. I would like to see people choosing reusables in every sphere of their life over disposables. So whether it's choosing to go for menstrual cups instead of sanitary pads, or whether it's choosing handkerchiefs in place of tissues, or whether using steel and reusable cutlery in place of paper cup, in every sphere, in every walk of life, reduce our waste footprint. And that is what I'm going to work on this year and beyond.
I think one thing that I definitely would love to challenge in the waste management industry is to change that thought process of just focusing on innovation, and also think about how we can change mindset and behavior around the waste. So instead of just playing the blame game and waiting for someone to come and save us, how we can make small changes in our own lives, and collectively be able to change the entire industry. So this is one thing that I would like to challenge, to not just think about innovation and policy and regulation, but also think about mindset and behavior change, and how we can take actions to change, to collectively change and demand changes in the waste management industry.
We choose to challenge unsolved problems. We choose to challenge that retail can't be beneficial to both society and environment. We choose to challenge ourselves.
So this year, let's choose to challenge inequality in all forms, and let's all work together to create a better world for everyone.
I choose to challenge the silent you. Speak out your opinions, your questions, your concerns, and the solutions in your brain. Know that they will be heard. With challenges, we bring change, and that's why I choose to challenge the silent you. Wish you all a happy International Women's Day. Thank you.